After a decade in real estate marketing, we built Absolute CX to solve what others ignore: disjointed tech stacks and broken customer journeys. Developers today manage 20 to 30 softwares that don't sync. We unify them seamlessly. Absolute CX connects sales, marketing, and operations through deep integrations, builds a powerful data lake, and uses AI to personalize journeys, predict conversions, and eliminate inefficiencies. With 200+ tech experts and the industry's best partnerships, we turn fragmented systems into one intelligent ecosystem. These aren't just tools, they're touch points that transform how you work. We don't just support your growth, we scale it. You're going to need us one day. Absolute CX. You and need us one day.